Hi folks, it's Craig J here. Just want to show you a few things that I found at a store that we have here. It's the Habitat for Humanity, and it's a restore where they resell things that they salvage, I guess. I got a set of files here. There's a half round right here. There's a big flat. It's not that big, but you know. And two of these triangle ones. Not sure what they're, the name for them are. Someone can probably tell me that. Not this. This one's pretty heavy. This big triangle one, I call it. It says on this one that it is. I don't know if I can see it or not. No, probably not going to. But it's a Simons. It's made in the USA. And this one, it's called a New Cut. Same as this one. This one doesn't have any markings on it that I can tell. Should show you, I guess. This one here. And this one's not in bad shape. It's got a bit of damage here on the end here. I also found I think it's Erik Anton Berg chisel head. And it's Swedish with the name Erik Anton Berg. This one I'm probably going to rehandle this one and put some handle on this straight and maybe try to straighten that one out, because it kind of looks it's bent. But this one's heavy. Like it's a heavy file. This one's of course kind of light. This one's not too bad. And this one is probably one of the better ones, the better shape. I also have a propane tank, an old one that I'm going to set up for, hopefully, get a forge going so I can start forging. Well, I got a hammer and hopefully a forge within the next couple of weeks. And then, got to work on getting an anvil. But thanks for taking the time to watch, listen, and I'll see you on the next one, and you can subscribe if you'd like to, and take care, and everybody have a good day.